In this video, I will quickly walk you through on how to create field name in Microsoft Access Database program. Know that if you don't create any field name, there is no how you fill the data in the sheet. So here I'm going to walk you through on how to create field name first before you start filling other informations. All right, for us to start with this creation of field name, the first thing we have to do is to launch the app. So I'll click on start and then I'll click inside the search area and search for access. Okay, it will show up. Once it shows up, click on the app for it to open. On opening, I want to create a blank database. So I'll click on blank database. Once you click on blank database, you'll be see some options here. So let me call this file name my customers. Okay. So let's assume that I run a microfinance bank in a particular region and I want to list the names of my customers and their few details. Okay. My customers. Then after that, click on create. Now, you can't be able to do anything on this spreadsheet without you first adding field name. That's how this database program is designed, ASEX. So, for you to create the first field name, click on this area with the text, click to add. Okay, so you can see some options. What kind of data do you want to place here? So I want to place short text. So it depends on what you want to create, right? Maybe short text or number or large numbers and so many others, okay? Some options listed here. But here I want to create short text. So I'll select this. And what I want to have here is first name of my customer, okay? So I'll have this as first name. Then after that, press the tab key of your computer keyboard for you to get to the next field, all right, for you to define the next field. Or you can click here and select the type of text you want to add. So here I want to add last name. So I will have last name, okay, last name. So you continue that way until you are done defining every field you want to have data under it. Remember, without defining the field, you cannot be able to add any data. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your say concerning this information. Do you need something more? Drop that in the comment section. And hit the like button if you have not done that, okay? This video here will be to teach you another thing that you can do on Microsoft Access. Thank you and see you some other time.